We are from Group W. My name is Ashraf bin Anawar, metric number 56880.
Hi, my name is Felicity Deliastasia. My metric number is 58612.
Hi, my name is Siti Farha binti Azhar. My metric number is 59184.
Hello, my name is Nur Syazwanie binti Ali. My metric number is 59023.
Background of shrimp paste. Shrimp paste is a kind of foodstuff made up from small shrimp which is compressed and durable to be eaten. Nevertheless, the origin of shrimp paste pointed at maritime Southeast Asia country. Shrimp paste can be found mostly in most meal in Southeast Asian country such as Myanmar, Laos, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Although the process of manufacturing shrimp paste is largely based on traditional method in Malaysia, but some entrepreneurs succeeded in commercializing the shrimp paste manufacturing process to be sold. Shrimp paste has a strong smell, but it is tasteful and favored by many people. Raw shrimp paste is smelly and requires a good packaging and storage method to reduce the smell. There are some people who like to burn the shrimp paste before eat it because they like to evoke the smell of the shrimp paste. However, if the shrimp paste is burned, it produces a strong odor. In Malaysia, they call shrimp paste as belacan. States in Malaysia produce their own type of belacan, which such as belacan Melaka, belacan mercang, and belacan papar. In Kedah, the popular belacan is produced along Tanjung Dawai waterfront to Sanglang, while in Sabah, they produce the belacan largely at Kampung Bin Suluk and Papar. The belacan papar can reach life up to 10 years. The more the belacan is marinated, the better the result will be.
First and foremost, in order to produce shrimp paste, the main raw material needed is shrimp. The first step of shrimp processing equipment includes material input area, including input belt, material washer, and intermediate belt. This process cleans the shrimp from dirt and impurities. Second step is the preliminary processing area, which includes preliminary processing belt, finished product, gathering belt, shrimp head, and shell transferring belt. In this process, shrimps are distributed to the workers on trays on the belt. Preliminary processing conveyor includes 3 lines. The central line is used to transfer trays with raw materials to 2 workers, while the 2 sides lines transfer finished product. The third step of shrimp processing line is peeling area. Peeling conveyors are designed with 1 material conveying belt, finished product belt, faucet system, and waste containers on both sides, and a motive driving system beneath. After peeling process is done, finished products are packaged to transfer to the next process, while the waste conveyor sends waste to the treatment area. After selecting raw material, fermentation process occurs. In this process, shrimp is put into the new cylinder, which has been added 30 to 35% by weight of the salt and mixed well pickled, stirred, and mashed with the help of grinding machine, each for about 30 minutes after pressing smooth crush to promote decomposition of the uniform fermentation. The fermentation continued until substantially complete. The fermentation is placed outdoors, warmed by sunlight to promote maturation, capping the cylinder port.
Homogenization is a process of making a mixture of 2 mutually non-soluble liquids the same throughout. This is achieved by turning one of the liquids into a state consisting of extremely small particles distributed uniformly throughout the other liquid. In this case, Separated shrimp paste is homogenized by using a high pressure homogenizer at about 65 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 15 megapascal. This process is fully automated and it is conducted to separate shrimp paste and oil. Next, packaging machines are machines that complete stages of the packaging process. Examples include filling machines, sealing machines, wrapping machines, strapping machines, labeling machines, and coding machines. Packaging machines used in this process are automatic filling with vacuum capping machine and labeling machines. Filling machines are used for packaging mainly for food or beverage, but can be used for other products as well. These are used to fill either a bottle or a pouch depending on the product. In this case, glass jar bottle is used because it does not leach chemicals and affect the material or absorb residual taste or odors. Last, labeling machines. Labeling machines are machines that dispense, apply or print and apply labels to various items, products, containers or packages. There are many types of labeling machine, but in this case, fully automatic front and back sticker labeling machine is used. This automated machine is provided with latest technology for precise accuracy and higher speed. Okay, thank you.
The next step is pasteurization. Pasteurization is a process of heat processing a liquid or a food to kill pathogenic bacteria to make the food safe to eat. It reduces the transmission of disease such as typhoid fever. It is important to note that foods can become contaminated even after they have been pasteurized. In the manufacturing process of shrimp paste, sterilization by pasteurization is conducted, whereas the shrimp paste is kept at 70 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. This process is important as it increases the shelf life and reduces spoilage of the shrimp paste. The sixth step is inspection and testing. This process is conducted to ensure the quality of the shrimp paste, because an important aspect of the shrimp paste is not only the quality of the packaging, but also its flavor, color, aroma, as well as its textures. This process is done manually by the workers. The last step is storage. The shrimp paste should be properly stored at low temperatures, such as chillers, as it will extend the shelf life of the product. The production utilizes 3 storage rooms, which are for before and after the production. Before the production of shrimp paste, the raw materials, which are shrimps, are to be stored at low temperature, not exceeding 5 degrees Celsius by refrigeration at all times. This is because it could reduce bacterial growth rate and also slows down many of the enzymatic reactions involved in the spoilage. The condition of the cold and quality of the shrimp should be evaluated to ensure that tainted, decomposed or unwholesome shrimp are not used for processing. Pellet rack system is also being used as to store boxes or bags of salt. It should be stored above ground level in a specially assigned clean and dry room. Salt must be used on a first in, first out basis or according to the factory's inventory control schedule. The storage could be sectioned and identified with barcode scan that is fast, reliable, and takes infinitely less time than entering data by hand. For after production, the shrimp paste which have been assembled would be kept or stored inside the cold room, because the shrimp paste should be stored at low temperatures, as to preserve it before transporting and selling it to the sellers. The storage room used could be chillers. The shrimp paste that has been packaged into the glass jar will be put and arranged in the boxes. The boxes of the shrimp paste will be identified by barcode scan as it can eliminate the possibility human error, also can reduce employee training time. The boxes of shrimp paste are then moved to the storage room by using the automated guided vehicle system, the one with the driverless train type.